So this is Rocks by Claire Nicholson, Justin Gable, Michael Irvin, and Michael Parker. So the Metamorphic Rock Slide is made by Michael Irvin. Metamorphic rocks is a type of rock that forms from an existing rock that is changed by heat, pressure, or chemical reaction. Geologists classify metamorphic rocks according to the arrangement of grains that make up the rocks. Heat and pressure deeply beneath Earth's surface can change any rock into a metamorphic rocks that have their grains arranged in a parallel layer or band is said to be foiled. Sedimentary rocks was made by Justin Gable. Sedimentary rock is a type of rock that is formed when particles from other rocks or the remains of plants and animals are pressed and cemented together. Most sedimentary rocks are formed through a series of processes: erosion, deposition, compaction, and cementation. In erosion, running water, wind, or ice moves and carry away fragments of rock. Deposition is the process by which sediment settles out of the water or wind carrying it. Compaction is the process that presses the sediments together. Cementation is the process in which dissolved minerals crystallize in glue particles of sediments together. This igneous rock slide was made by Michael Parker. Igneous rocks are rocks that are formed from hardening lava. These rocks are usually formed deep underground in volcanic areas. Examples: obsidian, granite, rhyolite, pegmatite, and porphyry. Igneous rocks are classified by their texture and chemical composition. The uses for these rocks was done by Claire. Forces of erosion from sediment, erosion, running water, wind, or ice. Some sedimentary rocks are shale, sandstone, carbonate, dead animals, dead plants, dead paper. So metamorphic rocks are used to layer surface, used to change other rocks, and the metamorphic rocks are used in granite and countertops. A metamorphic rock is slate. So igneous parts of the earth, thus lava, ocean stress, and make small crystals. Fact. Make a difference in color and texture, etc., etc. Rock cycle. Definition: forces deep inside the earth and the surface produces a slow cycle that builds, destroys, and changes the rock's crust. Effects. This is the rock cycle. The rock breaks down, it turns into sedimentary, and it adds pressure and